Hello, my name is John Fowdy. I am here to share with you a video about how to use the Sandbox Accounting Upload folder. The first thing you'll need to do to access this folder is go to your one.woostel.edu webpage. You want to log in there using your Woostel key and password. Once you're there, you can just type in box or box login and hit enter. That'll bring up this button here, which I've already added to my favorites. So whenever I log in, it automatically appears as part of my favorites here. And then when you click on that button, you probably need to log in as well, but it should route you to your box homepage. It'll show all your files available. One of them will be labeled something like this. It'll have your last name. It'll say accounting upload. If you share last name with another Sandbox faculty or staff member, it might be your last name, comma, first name, or first initial, something to that effect. Now, when you get into your box accounting upload folder, I'm going to see a few different subfolders here within that main folder. We are asking that you upload any new documents to this folder here. Upload new documents here, all in caps, to remind you this is where you should be uploading new documents. Please do not upload to completed, processing, or pending. Those are just used for tracking purposes so that once you've uploaded something here, we can keep track of where the document is in the process to ensure that it gets paid out on time. And the key here is when you upload to this new documents folder, we get a notification here in the business office, an email notification letting us know that you have uploaded something, and we are then reminded to come out and check in the folder for any new documents. So when you come out here, you're going to want to upload things directly into here. You can drag and drop into the folder. You can click the upload button here and select files from your computer. When you upload new documents here, we ask that you use some basic naming conventions. Those naming conventions are approximately, they're going to look something like this. You have the vendor name, have an invoice number or receipt number, something to differentiate between different invoices. Here we have two different invoices with different invoice numbers, and then also list the account number. So again, the vendor name, something to differentiate between different vendors, different documents from the same vendor, and the account number. You can either put those directly here into the title, or if you put any of this additional information like the account number or any other details, you can also edit it directly into the PDF document by using a PDF editor. This is another example, paying slide room. Here's an account number, and then we're splitting it 50-50 between these two different accounts. So there's a number of different ways to do this, but essentially your invoices or your documents to process are going to look something like this with a vendor name, an invoice number, and the accounts to charge. Now, when you upload documents to this folder, this is only for requests for the university or for Sandbox Business Office to pay an outside organization or individual on your behalf. If you've already paid for something and you're looking for a reimbursement, you will not use the box accounting upload folders. That will be a different process, which I'll cover in a different video. It's actually the expense report video for your reference, so you can look for that video if that's what you're trying to do right now. So when you upload those documents using those naming conventions, we get that notification. We come out to Box, we see in the new upload new documents here folder that there are new documents. We review them to make sure we have everything we need, is the account information there, etc. And if anything is missing, then we will move it from that folder over to this pending folder, and then we will email you and tell you exactly what's missing and ask for you to upload those to the new documents here folder. Once you've uploaded those new documents, we match them up to what's in the pending folder, and if everything is good to go there, we then move them to the processing folder, and we begin processing those documents in Workday using various methods that we have access to. Then at some point, hopefully within a few weeks or a month at the most, we will come back out here and do some housekeeping. We'll try and move documents that are completely finished processing from this processing folder over to the completed documents folder. So you can always go into your completed documents folder at a later time and get an archive, basically, of anything you've uploaded previously for processing and get confirmation that things have been paid. If you ever come out here and things are still in any of these folders, feel free to email us and say, what's the status of this invoice that I uploaded on whatever date, and we'll try and get you updated. And it could just be that it got hung up in an old folder and it actually is completed, or it could be that there's a problem. So we can work through any details there. So that is basically how you use the accounting uploads folder. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me in the business office. Again, this is John Foudy. Hope you have a good day.